Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling the tools that let you inspect a page. First, enable developer options and then USB debugging on the phone so the device can talk to your PC. Once done, connect the phone via USB and accept the computer's debugging prompt. This authorizes the link. You do this because Chrome's dev tools use that channel to read the page structure and resources. Make sure Chrome is installed on both devices so the next steps can proceed. Now you open Chrome's Remote Devices pane on your computer to find the phone. Once you choose Menu More Tools Remote Devices, Chrome lists attached devices. Select yours and expand the available tabs or web views. You do this because each entry maps to a page or web view on the phone. Then click Inspect to spawn a DevTools window that mirrors the mobile page. This gives you the DOM, styles, console, and network tools, just like desktop inspection. With DevTools connected, you inspect elements, tweak styles, and run JavaScript directly to test fixes. You can edit CSS or HTML live and then refresh on the phone to verify behavior under real device conditions. Once done, remember to close the session and revoke USB debugging if needed for security. If the device isn't detected, try switching USB mode, reinstalling device drivers, or restarting a DB. That usually resolves connection issues, so your inspection flow continues uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.